Hello friends!
Hey guys!
In the last video you saw how we installed the ceiling. We painted it, it's looking great. We saw some lights, the fans, everything. Now we're gonna do something very cool. And I think this is gonna change the whole look.
We started from the top and now we're going to the bottom. And we are installing some life-proof vinyl plank flooring.
Yep, we went really early in the morning to Home Depot. We picked up some life-proof vinyl flooring
That we had ordered last night.
Yes, and we just pick up at the store. We don't know how we're gonna do these. This is a much better flooring that we installed in the bus. It's gonna be waterproof, scratch-proof.
So it's good for pets and it's good for people.
I'm excited. Let's see how this floor is gonna look in the van.
Come on.
Come on, let's do it. Oh, and it clicks.
Yep, it's click lock.
Pretty floor.
So using a jigsaw, I just cut out a 9" by 19" piece of, I think it's 1/4" ply, essentially just to meet the gap that we've already got here on the subfloor. That way when we install our flooring over top of it, it'll be nice and level. So we're just gonna go ahead and screw this in and get to work on the subfloor. We're gonna have to be doing cuts as we go too. That one looked good?
Yeah. So we're gonna put glue on it?
Yeah. We're not gonna put a ton, but
Doesn't matter that this underneath. First board down.
yep. How do you feel?
Good, I like it.
Good. Inches. So each stagger will have to be
20 inches. Now third.
There you go.
Go a little more.
Come a little more back. Here goes nothing. I'm not very good at that. You're just trying to make mountains or boobs? I don't know, let me see.
You're so rude. You need help?
Nope.
Do it like how I teach you.
Okay, I will. Thanks, coach. We're nowhere near being finished.
Da 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 da.
We're making some measurements now, putting up the walls. I got one up in place. It was an absolute pain in the butt. So now I've taken some measurements because there's a little bit of a curve toward the back of the van. I almost called it the bus. And we've got this handy little tool here. This would have come in so handy during the bus build, but it kind of gives you a rough idea of the curvature that you need. So I placed this already. It looks quite straight, but in fact it's not. And once I get my two measurements, I'll mark point at the shortest and the longest, and then I know exactly where to place this to finish out the curvature, and then we're going to use the jigsaw to go from there. So I'll tell you here in just a second how this tool works. Not quite long enough to get the job done, but it'll give me an idea of where it needs to go. Let's see how accurate this is.
Hi friends! Chase has been working by himself out here. He's so freaking sweet. Because I was not feeling good, he let me go and take a nap. But at the end I didn't take a nap because I had to help my dad doing some things. He has already put up 2 walls. And we have like 1.5, we'll say.
Yeah, left, and then we have to do the lower walls, but that's not bad.
That's not bad at all. Good job, Bobo. Give me un puñito.
Bonito.
Boom! Let's cut this one and see how that goes. Let me help you out. Where's your head at?
Where's your head at? Where's your head at?
Is that good?
Your end needs to come up.
Good.
How do you feel about that? Believe it or not, this is not the past Chase, this is the present Chase. We went from a high of 85 to a high of around 46 degrees. We're currently in a cloud of fog as well, so I have little bits of moisture all over the place. It's only mildly annoying. We left you with finishing off the upper parts of the walls. I need to run one more strand of electrical wire for our isotherm fridge, which will be here a little bit later today, around 6:30 in the evening. And in the meantime, what I'm going to be doing is finishing up the lower part of the walls here in our Sprinter. So that's where we're at for the time being. I am bundled up with 3 layers right now, and I'm still not completely comfortable. However, I know as soon as I start lugging around our birch plywood that I'll warm up a little bit. So come on, let's get started back on the Sprinter build. We are one step closer to framing everything out, and that's something to be excited about. Let's go. Today's sunny but cold, much like yesterday. Thankfully there's no mist or fog or anything of that sort. I got one side of our walls finished yesterday. Today I'm finishing the lower part.